If I was going to describe Blueshift to a marketer, I would say that it's the tool you want when you want to take your marketing seriously. Anyone working in marketing in the digital space now, there's so much flux, there's so much change. You have to be able to be on top of that, and I think if you don't have a system that lets you access all of your data points, all of your product catalogue, all of your insights and action them, then it's very, very easy to get stuck in a certain way of working. My name's Becky Spur, I work for Vouchercloud. I'm head of communications, so I run the team which basically deals with all the email, push notifications, social media, database management really as well. So Blueshift has enabled my team to get over the problem of our huge amount of content and huge amount of users but not being able to give them the right content they wanted. For us, I think one of the main ways it's helped us is that it's given us the flexibility to have multiple product catalogues. We're not a traditional e-commerce site in terms of we don't necessarily have a range of products that we sell. We sell offers for various merchants. If I was going to tell someone one thing about Blueshift, I think the first thing I would tell them was it can solve your problems because it's so flexible. For Blueshift, the kind of automated campaigns we ran were, we ran a welcome campaign, we ran a reactivation campaign, but that was pretty much it. We didn't have the ability to give people the right content in our campaigns. So a lot of the stuff we could send out wasn't really that valid for the users because our users are first and foremost interested in our offers. Now we run around, I would say, 30 to 40% of our campaigns are automated, and we're introducing even more elements. So hopefully very soon every single campaign we have will have a personalised element to it. I don't have a very big team, there's 4 of us on the team, and we service 12 countries in terms of comms, which is quite a significant amount. What we've been able to do with Blueshift is, well, firstly, automate a lot of campaigns. Blueshift gives my team a lot more autonomy because essentially we've been able to take away a lot of the work that used to rest with our overworked tech team into my department. Now we have much more flexibility. We have all of our triggers, all of our events, all of our behaviours, as it were, set up. And we've got the flexibility to set up any campaign we want, tweak that campaign, optimise that campaign, and get learnings from it, whereas previously we would have had to requested all of these different events and we just wouldn't have had that flexibility. We've managed to really increase our revenue. Last year was a record-breaking year for us, and I think that's because one, we're giving the right content to people, so therefore they're spending more with us, but 2, they're also more engaged with the platform as a whole, because they can see that what we're sending them isn't necessarily just the batch and blast that we used to do. And I think there's a knock-on impact in that, in terms of they will then open the email more in the future, and I think it just builds a sort of a greater level of engagement with the brand. One of the biggest things it's actually done for us, which I didn't expect, was it's giving us a huge greater amount of customer insight, which I didn't actually expect. I thought it would be a tool to deliver our comms, but actually, because we have all of this event information and it's so visible and easy to see, and we can marry that up with our purchase information, that's actually really informed a lot of what we do. Taking data from it, looking at analysing stuff that's happened in our campaigns, has given me so much more information that's actually sort of provoked a lot of other discussion and ideas, and it's made us a go-to resource alongside our BI team in terms of customer value and all of these things, which, to be honest, was an unexpected bonus because we really just needed to send emails, so it's actually sort of really transformed how we look at our user base.